Hey guys, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com, and in today's riff of the day we'll be learning Fortunate Son by Creedence Clearwater Revival. This song was released in 1969 when the US was involved with the Vietnam War, and it actually became an anti-war movement anthem, so it's a great song with a great cause. It's pretty simple, so I think you'll really like learning it and then playing it, and let's have a look at that riff. So this is how the main riff goes. So it's pretty simple actually, and I'm holding this plectrum, but why I do not know because I don't need it. I'll just put that aside. And what we'll be doing, we'll have a couple slides. So first we'll use our middle finger to slide up to the 9th fret of the D string. And then your index finger will go to the 8th fret of the B string. And it doesn't really matter where you slide from, so you could slide from 1 fret down or 2 frets down. It doesn't really matter. The point is that you land it nice and clean where you need to, okay? Next, we'll do the exact same technique, only sliding to the 7th fret of the D. Then we're going to switch our fingers up a little bit. We'll still use our middle finger to slide to the 5th fret this time. And this time around, we'll use our ring finger to fret the 5th fret of the B string. So it'll sound like this. And then keeping this finger position, we'll slide up to the 3rd fret on the D. The ring finger plucks or holds down the 3rd fret of the B. And then we'll have a little slur on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then our middle finger is in position to fret the 3rd fret of the low E. Okay, so that's the entire riff. Let's go through it nice and slow. Once again. Good job, so I hope you can keep up. That's the entire main riff of the song actually. So if you need to, then just pause the video, practice it a little bit, or even rewind it and then go through everything that we just did once again. Now if you started playing that long ago, you may have a bit of trouble landing those slides exactly where you need to land them. But don't worry about it, just keep on practicing it, and once you get a more definite feel for the entire fretboard, where all the frets are, it'll become much easier, so it'll become much more instinctive. Alright, so that's the entire riff. I hope you had fun, and if you like, then I have a lesson on the entire song. Go ahead and search for that one as well. It's a lot of fun, and it's not hard at all, it just has a few extra chords. If you need the tabs, then go up to TheGuitarLesson.com and you can download the tabs there, and I'll see you in one of the other lessons. Bye!